Welcome to Amanase, a small village in West Africa, about 1.5 hours north of Accra, the capital of Ghana. You probably haven't heard of Amanase yet, and even in Ghana, only a few people knew this rural place. But that's changing. And it started with the first ever solar-powered chocolate factory, built by fairafric. With the help of more than 2,000 Kickstarter supporters, fairafric now produces organic chocolate and brings value creation to cocoa's country of origin. Today, more than 85 people are trained and employed by fairafric Ghana, from production to quality control, product development to general management. All employees come from the region. fairafric has also turned farmers into co-owners and continues to pay the highest organic cocoa premiums in West Africa, meaning farmers can comfortably feed their families and ensure access to education for their children. With Amanase, the impact chocolatier, we now dare to add another incredible chapter to the chocolate revolution: vegan and organic pralines, handcrafted by chocolatiers from Ghana. And the question is, why? Chocolatier products are often sold in Europe for 80 to 100 euros per kilo, while only 2 euros arrives in the country of origin of the cocoa beans. There's another way. We bring the added value back to Ghana and give young and aspiring people the chance to become chocolatiers and to create the finest specialities from local ingredients in Amanase. Each year, around 8 students will get the chance of a full educational training. To learn the craftsmanship of a chocolatier, they'll be taught by experienced chocolatiers from all over the world. Although 70% of the cocoa comes from Africa, all the pralines of the world are made in rich consumer countries, and almost none are from organic farms. It's high time to end this. Help us to produce delicious pralines in Ghana, create fairly paid, qualified jobs, and train young talents here in rural Africa with solar energy, 100% biodegradable packaging, and organic ingredients only, making the world a little better, praline by praline.
The Amanase brand was made based on a particular vision or dream, that is to have a social impact on people who are not employed, to employ them to